Hi fellow developers. So today let's go. Let's create noise removal system from signals and images with the help of different algorithms available in MATLAB, now ported in Python as well. We can use Python 3, proc underscore tb, numpy, matplotlib, scikit-learn, scikit-image module. So step 1, we have to find an appropriate package and language to choose from. In this case, I am using Python language and matplotlib as well as skimage for plotting signals. Step 2, we have to create a function that takes input signal as noisy input and gives cleaned output data as an output by going through list of noise removal algorithms present in MATLAB, now ported in Python as well. Step 3, we have to write code to create function that helps clear noise from 1D signal and 2D image and gives the output back. In the sub step 1 is create a function that clears the noise from 1D signal and create a function that clears the noise from 2D image. Step 3, we have to add the naive human loop feedback with multiple algorithms in mixers to remove all possible kind of different noises from the input coming from step 1 and 2 to make it more efficient. Step 4 is we have to save the output in a JSON format that takes noisy data and clean data after and stores it in output dictionary and returns it back to the main function as well as records the time that it to run the overall function. So let's, without further ado, let's finish the demo. So you can see elapsed time is 3 microseconds, and this is the noisy signal. All of the noises has been cleaned, and this is the output signal. You can detect the noise also by creating the difference between these two signals and between the two numpy array of the signals. You can create a difference between two numpy array of images as well to detect the noise present in the image and the image in the signal. Step 4 is optional step. After doing all this, don't forget to finish your homework. That is to create a function to plot signals and images side by side obtained from the output. All of the links will be provided in the description.